Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Google Pixel 6 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is to remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen. And then insert plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Be gentle in this process. The flex connector cable is on the left hand side of the screen. Always use the edge of the plastic car pry tool to avoid internal damages. Next, lift the screen gradually from the right to the left side and then hold it like an open book. Next, take out the connector bracket by undoing the screw. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug from the board. Now you can free the screen from the body. If your screen has many cracks, clean the frame edges properly. When choosing a new part, ensure the screen comes with the fingerprint sensor. An original service pack and refurbished screens are come with the fingerprint sensor attached. After the screen replacement, you might have issues with the fingerprint setup. To fix the issue, you need to run the fingerprint calibration tool. For security and safety, always better to use an original screen. Next, place and secure the new screen on the body. Turn on the device for verification. Once the testing passes, place the connector bracket and secure the screw. Next, before securing the LCD screen, ensure it has glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Next, gently slide the screen from the bottom to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.